The Delta fan from Casa Vieja does it all. Refreshingly stylish, its modern three-blade design is suitable for indoors and covered porches alike. Switching between the fan's 3 speeds is a breeze with the included handheld remote. And like all Casa Vieja fans, the motor includes a limited lifetime warranty, so you can enjoy it today, tomorrow, and for years to come. Casa Vieja.
If you're interested in buying one of these products, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.